अगला अवार्ड ऑडियंसेस के दिल पर राज करने वाली क्वींस के लिए.
We saw some stellar performances this year.
So here are the nominees for performance in a leading role female.
Kriti Sanon for Mimi.
किसी के साथ सोने की जरूरत नहीं है और बच्चा पैदा हो जाएगा जिद्दा ना होया मेरा ब्याह विक्रम
Kiara Advani for Sher Shah.
ना ब्याह ना कराऊंगी
सबको लगा हम पगला गए
Sania Malhotra
जब लड़की लोग को अकल आती है ना
for Paglet.
तो सब उन्हें पगले है ठीक है
पता उस थप्पड़ से क्या हुआ उस एक थप्पड़ से ना
Tapsi Pannu for Thappad.
लग गई जिसको मैं अनदेखा करके मूव ऑन करती जा रही थी
Vidya Balan for Sherni.
जानवरों को चराने कहाँ ले जाएंगे सर
And to present the award for performance in a leading role female, may we please call upon the gorgeous Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Mr. Shashank Srivastava.
Salam, Abu Dhabi. Namaste and good evening. Thank you so much for all your love and for such a warm welcome. And we're here to announce, Shashank sir.
IFA Award for performance in a leading role female
Goes to... Louder. Woohoo! Kriti Sanon for Mimi.
I came on the stage to receive my first IFA award for my debut performance 8 years back. And it has taken 8 years for this beautiful award to come back to me. And this is my first Best Actress Award. कुछ ऐसी फिल्में आती हैं एक एक्टर की लाइफ में जो आप में कुछ बदल देती हैं कोई ऐसी नॉट खोल देती है आपके अंदर and you just realize that hey I can fly higher. I can do so much more. And for me, I think Mimi was that film. So thank you, IFA. This means the world to me. And thank you all for always supporting and giving us so much love. And I promise to work very, very hard and see you again here sometime soon.
Congratulations, Kriti.
कहीं जाइएगा मत सारा दिखाएंगी सबको अपनी scintillating moves.
The next IFA Best Picture and the winner is
अब वक्त आ गया है to present one of the most important awards of this evening.
जी हाँ, ये है award for direction. So the nominees for direction are
Anurag Basu for Ludo. Anubhav Sinha for Thappad. Kabir Khan for 83. Shujit Sirkar for Sardar Udham. Vishnu Varadhan for Sher Shah.
And to present the award for direction, may I please call on stage Divya Khosla Kumar and Mr. Bonnie Kapoor.
IFA award for direction goes to Vishnu Vardhan for Sher Shah.
Good evening, Abu Dhabi. You know, normally they say you're chosen by the film. I think for this case, I think we were chosen to make this film. So I think this goes main to Captain Vikram Batra's family and to all the soldiers who have sacrificed their lives, still protecting us. So this award just goes to them. Thank you all and have a great evening. Thank you so much.
कुछ फिल्में रियल लाइफ पर आधारित होती है और कुछ लाइफ्स फिल्मों पर आधारित होती है।
इस साल की सारी बेस्ट फिल्म्स या तो बायोग्राफीज थी या फिर बेस्ड ऑन ट्रू इवेंट्स थी। लेट्स लुक एट द नॉमिनीज फॉर बेस्ट पिक्चर।
Reliance Entertainment, Deepika Padukone, Kabir Khan, Vishnu Vardhan Induri, Sajid Nadiadwala, Sheetal Vinod Talwar, 83 Film Limited, 483. Ronnie Lahiri, Sheel Kumar for Sardar Udham. Hiru Yash Johar, Karan Johar, Apurva Mehta, Shabir Boxwala, Ajay Shah, Himanshu Gandhi for Sher Shah. Ajay Devgan, Bhushan Kumar, Krishan Kumar for Tanaji, the Unsung Warrior. Bhushan Kumar, Krishan Kumar, Anubhav Sinha for Thappad.
And to present this award, may I please welcome on stage Ananya Pandey and Abhishek Bachchan.
So we're here to announce the award for IFA Best Picture, and the winner is for Sher Shah, Hiru Aunty, Karan, Apurva, Shabir Boxwala, Ajay Shah and Himanshu Gandhi.
On behalf of Dharma Productions, Kash Entertainment, like to thank IFA for honoring us this prestigious award. Like to thank all the cast and crew of Sher Shah. Like to thank the Batra family who allowed us to say this story and the unconditional support we received from the Indian Army. Thank you very much.
Thank you and congratulations, sir. Thank you, Ananya. Thank you, Abhishek, for doing the honors. Thank you very much.
आज के लिए इतना ही देवी और सज्जनों। I hope आप सबको बहुत मजा आया in the biggest night of celebration, IFA Awards 2022, Yas Island, Abu Dhabi. Thank you for the love and warmth and kindness. Thank you, Abu Dhabi. We will see you in another part of the world as IFA continues its journey celebrating Indian cinema across the world.
Thank you.
Shubh
Love you all.
Ratri.
Thank you.
Khuda Hafiz. Thank you so much. Thank you.